Hello and namaste to all my viewers. So today in this video we will make a cafe shaped planter which you can see in the picture. Here so I had taken white cement and I have molded inside a cardboard box. Whichever shape you would like, you can mold it likewise. I think this is the easiest way so far, that you can use a cardboard, and I have inserted a thermocol inside it so that we can make the appropriate cavity for the plant. The whole process took a lot of efforts, but the result was very great and it made me so happy. So you should also keep up with me. Now I'm again taking white cement. I have mixed it with a little cornstarch, Fevicol and water, and at the end you have to add some oil as well, and just put it for some time. I had not mixed any cornstarch and Fevicol when I was making this mold. It was very simple. You just have to mix it with water and just mold the main structure. This process needs a lot of patience, and I took 2 to 3 days to make it. But it's really fun for creative people to, try some new ideas. It's very important, and we learn from each other as well. There are many artists in the internet from which we can learn, and it is an amazing process of growth when we will try this sort of planter at home. There are some points to follow. Be very careful of some points, like you have to moisturize your hand before whenever you are coming in contact with the mold. You can wear gloves also. I opted not to. That's why my hands became very dry. They lost moisture. But as an artist, you have to deal with such things in life. I wanted to feel my piece of art when I was making it, so that is the price you pay. As you can see, the half of the work is done. I have made door, windows, and now I am making the stairs. I am giving a stair like structure from of the left side, and I have made a round window on that side as well. And now I am creating a shed over the door, which is looking amazing. You can see I have put a plate under this planter intentionally because it is a planter, right? When you will water the plant now, the water will come out, so it should not look fishy around the planter, right? That's why in the normal planter as well, we used to put a plate under that if we have to put it in a indoor place. So I've selected 2 3 colors. I've used basic colors to decorate it, not more colors, because I feel that it will, that way it might lose its rawness and beauty which lies in its, whitish beauty. Well, that's my opinion, but when you will try, you can give a color, different color rendition, whatever you like. One thing is very important because it's a planter, so you need to keep that in mind, that drainage should be proper, right? So I have put, when I was molding it, I have put the thermocol pieces accordingly. There is more area in the upper part for the soil and the plant, and I have given a small area as well so that the water can pass through it. In my life, I have tried this for the first time, and I must say that my experience is very overwhelming, and I was very happy with the result. This small plant I have made from a air dry clay, quick super clay. Here you can see I am putting some soil inside the planter. Half the way you have to fill the soil, and rest you can plant any sort of sapling whichever you like. I like this one. You can add pearls of strings or different kind of sequins also, that will also look nice. I have added this light also so that I can take a good picture of this beautiful piece of art. And here it is, I cannot take my eyes off with this beautiful cafe planter. So people, if you like this idea and you like me, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, share and comment.